guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in the last video I showed you guys how to download the Windows ISO file, but what the sense of downloading the ISO file if you're not going to install it on your computer? But what if you want to install it on another computer which already crashes? Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a bootable USB flash drive to basically have it to install that Windows on your system, right? So all you need is the Windows ISO file, so you can go back to that video if you're not able to watch that video to download that ISO file. The next thing you need is your flash drive right here, at least 8 gig, right? So get the 8 gig flash drive and the ISO file. I'm going to show you guys how to make a bootable flash drive using that file, so stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is insert your USB flash drive into the computer. Now you want to go to your computer and go to your web browser. When you reach your web browser, you're going to type in RUFUS Utility Software. Then you click search. I'll also have the link to this website in the description, so you can also go in the description box to visit this website. So basically the software that we are using in this process is called RUFUS. Now this can be used to create Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. Now in this video we are working with Windows 10, so we are going to operate on creating a bootable flash drive for Windows 10. So what you're going to do is to go on this website. So we are going to scroll down to the bottom where you see download. Now the file that we are going to download is called RUFUS 3.1. So basically 1 megabyte. So where you see RUFUS 3.12, we're going to download that file. Now after the file has been downloaded, we are going to open and run the file. Okay, so there you have it. The application start running. So this is the RUFUS application that I just downloaded. So this is a device 16 gig. So it said this are IS image, so I'm going to select the IS image. Yes, that's it. So I'm going to select it from my computer. So I'm going to locate it now on my computer where I have it stored. So I'm going to select the Windows 10 ISO file. So I'm right here, yes, Windows 10 ISO file. Open. Okay, so it's ready. So I'm going to change some few settings in this right here. So Windows 10 installation, right here I'm gonna put it to MBR, right? So over here we have BIOS, right? So that's here. I'm gonna change that to BIOS. So I'm gonna put label right here, Windows. So whether you're using a Windows 7 or Windows 10, so I'm gonna have Windows 10 right here, which is perfect. The end tier, which is right. This one should be selected. Default. So I'm gonna click on ready or start. So I said all thing will be destroyed on this device, and I click OK. And it's deleting partition, which may take a few while, right? Then it's soon install on your thumb drive. So you see it here, creating task. Yes guys, so there's it. It's copying the ISO file now onto the thumb drive. Now you are going to be creating now a bootable flash drive. Yes guys, and that's how you create a bootable USB flash drive. Now you don't have any more problem if your computer crashes, because you always have a backed up bootable flash drive. So guys, remember, if this video helped, please give the video a thumbs up. Also comment if it worked, and comment if you have any other issues. And guys, remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I see you in my next one. Peace out.